All right, real quick, Microsoft has shown a way to uninstall or to install Windows 11 unofficially. And of course, you can uninstall it later. Yes, Microsoft will officially show you a way to unofficially install Windows 11, if that makes sense. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes, but it says here ways to install Windows 11. There is the recommended way, and there is the, not recommended way to install Windows 11. It's basically a hack. So if you really want to try Windows 11, and yes, it is faster than Linux, at least in my brief test, and I'll have an update to that Windows 11 test. I'm still stunned, but I call it as I see it. So I will have a link for this below in the show notes if you wanted to try it out. I installed it on a machine that I don't use every day, so if it breaks, I don't care. So if you're still interested in ways to install Windows 11 not supported by Microsoft support, yes, you can at least try this to see if it installs. You might break something. So again, do not install this on a machine that you intend to use 7 days a week. Good luck.